Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a double Louis Vuitton unboxing. I don't think I've ever done this on my channel before, but there's a first time for everything, and that is today, and I'm super excited. I let you guys know on my Instagram that I was uploading this video, and then I was doing an unboxing, a double unboxing. So yeah, if you are not following me on Instagram, please go follow me. My name is on the screen. How do you guys like my hair? I just got it cut and I took about like a good chunk, maybe like 6 inches, and I'm really liking it. It feels so much lighter and fresh, and I just was due for a haircut so badly. But yeah, that is not what today's video is about. So let's get right into these unboxing. But before we get started, guys, hello, my name is Maria Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing and obsessed like I am, please hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So without further ado, let's get right into this double unboxing. Like I said, these two items are from Louis Vuitton. So this is the first box that came, and as I'm opening it, it says Louis Vuitton, which is so cute. And I love Louis Vuitton packaging, and it's just so much fun. And honestly, I do miss shopping in store, but buying from online has been really convenient, especially because if you don't like the item, they give you a return label and you can return it easily instead of going all the way back to the store. So especially if you don't live near one. I don't live near one. So yeah, when I open this, it comes with this little guy and this envelope that's like curved. I don't know what happened during shipment, but whatever. And in this envelope, it just says thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. There's also exchange and return the paper, and then also my receipts right here. So proof of purchase, this is authentic stuff. Here is the lovely box. It says Louis Vuitton right there, and by the box you probably know what it is, maybe. So as soon as I'm opening it, by this lovely blue tassel, I'm opening it, and I got first of all, let's just take a close look at this packaging. Oh, I love tissue paper and packaging, but you know what, I'm not even gonna take it off like that. So what it ended up getting was the Louis Vuitton bandeau. I don't remember the specific name for this bandeau, but I am totally obsessed with this. So it has the chain, it has the vachetta on there, it has this lovely gold earring, it looks like, and it has the vachetta belt situation. But do you know what I love about this is how it features reverse monogram and also the regular monogram. You guys know that I'm totally obsessed with reverse monogram, and I wish and hope that Louis will bring more stuff with the reverse monogram, because it is stunning. It's so unique. But in a way, I like how they only have a few pieces available in the reverse, because then it's more special if you have the item, and it's more unique, and it's not like everyone and their grandma has that same item, you know what I mean? So yeah, I really like how this features the reverse and also the monogram. So this little bit detail has the keys, and then it says Louis Vuitton right at the end of it with the logo, and then there's this little tag that says Louis Vuitton. And this is actually my first Louis bandeau ever. I've never purchased one. I've seen them in stores and really like them, but I just never pulled the trigger on them. But now that I am seeing it in person again, I'm super impressed by this quality as well. And these bandeaus are so versatile. You can wear them in so many different ways. I've seen people do it on their wrist. I've seen people put them in their hair. Putting it on your bag, of course, is always such a cute little touch. And it's just an accessory that is so much fun that you can do so much with. So I'm really glad I was able to buy that. Most of them online are like out of stock for some reason, but I was gonna get this other one that had like a jungle theme, and it was just so pretty, but I didn't. I'd rather have gotten this one because I feel like I wear a lot of neutrals, so I picked this color because it goes with everything pretty much because of the monogram, and it features also golds but also silver, which is really nice. So the first side is gold, so if you want to put it displaying the gold chain one day you can, but then if you want to display it on the silver, you could also do that. So I really love this little piece and decided to play around with it and see how I can use it and stuff. So yeah. So the next Louis Vuitton piece that I'm going to unbox for you guys, it comes in this little brown box. And when you open it, again, it features the Louis Vuitton writing, which is so cool and such a nice touch. And when I'm opening it, this is the box that it comes in. And you guys probably know what it is just from the box. So if you want to leave a comment and guess what this little baby is, then please do so. But yeah, I cannot wait any longer. I want to get into this baby. So this is held by the magnetic opening enclosure. So when I open it, ooh, it comes like this. Has this little sheet of tissue paper, and what I'm seeing is this little booklet on how to take care of it and all that. So that will definitely help me because it is a different piece. But the item that I got was, drumroll please, dun 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 dun. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is such a stunning piece. Look at her. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, so this is called the Louis Vuitton Box Scott, and when I saw this item, I just fell in love with it because I've seen it on Instagram before, and so many people use this as a handbag, which is really interesting. I have to like play around with it and see what I can actually fit in here and all, which I will be filming for you guys. I wanted to get this item for a couple of reasons. One, I've always wanted this item ever since this came out, but I just didn't make it as a priority kind of purchase, so I just left it alone. But I always loved it because I loved how different and unique it is and how you can use this as a handbag. Like, this is such a unique handbag. Like, if you were to use it as a handbag, it is so unique and so different and so eye-catching because it is clear with the LV monogram all over it in white. So this is what it looks like. At the top, it features the LV logo right here, and this is all in gold, and then it says Louis Vuitton Paris, and this is the opening enclosure of it. So you push this to the left, and it is held by this vachetta strap right here, which is really fun and unique, and it has these little button things right here that say Louis Vuitton. I don't know if you guys can see that. Has these little buttons right here that say Louis Vuitton on it, and it is going onto the other side, and when you turn it over, it's held. This is like the part where the bag is held together. The two buttons say Louis Vuitton. So the way you open this little guy is you push this to the left and you pull this up, and then it opens like so, which is so beautiful. Like I said before, the vachetta strap is held by the top and the bottom. So yeah, it opens like this and you have plenty of room, and I love how the top is taller as well, so if you were to put things in it, it won't be a struggle to shut. So I really like this piece, and I am so excited to play around with it to see what I can use it for. I've seen people use it as a jewelry box, handbag. There's just endless of ways that you can use this little guy. So I'm so happy to play around with it, and I will be doing videos on this little baby, of course. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you for all your support. And by today, I would be announcing my giveaway winner on my Instagram. So again, if you aren't following me on Instagram, I'll leave my name on the screen. Please go follow me. I've been so active and I love talking to you guys over there, so it is so much fun. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little double Louis Vuitton unboxing, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.